Apple recently changed the clock icon on the iPhone home screen so that it now no longer shows a digital clock that's easy to read and is larger than the normal clock at the top. I'm going to show you how to get it back and some options to doing so. So the first thing that you can do is take your finger and swipe to the left and just keep swiping until you get to the app library. At the app library, tap on the search bar at the top and type in clock. When you find clock on this list, press and hold on the clock and then tap add to home screen. This will add the clock to your home screen, but again, you can see it's an analog clock, not a digital clock that shows you the time. The time is also at the top left here, but it's fairly small if you want a bigger version of it. Some options are to press and hold on the clock. If you press and hold on it, you can see those 4 squares, but to the right of it is one larger square. Just tap on that larger square and you'll be able to see it switches over to a bigger clock. But again, this is designed kind of funky and most people don't like the look of this. There are some other options. You can press and hold on it again and then choose some other widgets. If you wanted to, a bigger widget or an even bigger one, depending on your needs and whether you want multiple clocks. However, what I find is the best option is to use a third-party app. So let's tap on the App Store, and on the search bar at the top, let's search for widget and hit search. I would recommend downloading this app, Widget Smith. Just tap download and install, and I'll show you how this works. It's super simple. After this is done installing, tap the open button next to it, and then tap the plus at the top right. Scroll down and choose home screen, whether you want a small, medium, or a large size clock. In my case, I'm going to choose small. And then scroll down until you find clock or time on this list. And you can see different formats, this format or a big time duo, clock, fuzzy time, the date and time. I'm going to choose big time here. And now you can also see I can choose different themes as well as different colors, etc. Let's choose this aluminum color. You can tap on location to the right and choose the location where you want that clock to display. Usually just defaults to whatever location your iPhone is in. Now let's add this to the home screen. Tap the check mark at the top right and then just name it whatever you want. You can just leave it as that name and hit save. After you've done that, hop out of here and you're going to press and hold on an app. Let's say Instagram. It doesn't matter which app, just press and hold on an app and tap on Edit Home Screen. Then tap the Edit button at the top left and tap Add Widget at the top. From here, scroll down until you find at the bottom, scroll all the way to the bottom till you get to Widget Smith and tap on that. Now, whether you chose a small, medium, or large widget, you can swipe over. But in my case, I chose a small widget. So I'm going to tap Add Widget here. And now I will be able to choose which widget. Just tap the Choose button and choose Big Time or whatever you named it to. And then tap towards the bottom. And then tap again somewhere that there's not an app icon. And you can see here I have the clock and I've customized the exact look and feel, the font, the color, and all of that stuff of that big digital clock now on my iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.